Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to be taking a look at how to create a contents page in Microsoft Word. I'm actually using Microsoft Word 2013, however it'll be the same if not very similar across all different versions of Microsoft Word. So what I see a lot of people do when they create Word documents is they essentially type their text into the document. And let me just put some random text in here and then say like a subheading to there, some more random text. And what they'll do is they will essentially style each element individually using these buttons over here. You know, they might make the title bold, might make it slightly bigger. Same thing for the subheadings. Maybe they'll go for point 14. Maybe some italics, that kind of thing. The problem with this approach is that it doesn't actually tell Word what the structure of your document looks like. So if this is the sort of thing that you would normally do, you don't want to do that. You want to stop doing that. So I'm going to show you what you need to do. So we're going to highlight all this. And what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead. Let me just remove all that styling. I want you to go ahead and use these styles here. So for example, if you've got a title, just ensure that you click on title here. You've got a subheading 1, make sure you use subheading 1. So random text will just be normal. Subheading 2, use that. And if you're not happy with these styles, what you don't want to do is you don't want to change it here. You want to go ahead, so for example, you don't like the title, go ahead, right click the title, click modify, choose a different font. I quite like this font. Let's use that. Yeah, it looks pretty cool actually. And same thing for the subheadings. If you don't like the font, for example, you can change the size, the color, anything you like. So let's just change the font because I quite like this font. And then the great thing about that is you can reuse these styles throughout your document. So for example, if I go down here and I want it to use another subheading 2, let's say subheading 2, all I'll have to do is click on subheading 2. That's literally how easy it is. Now there is some built-in styles, so you can actually choose something different if you would like to, but actually in this video what we're really looking at is we're looking at how to create a contents page. So let me show you how easy that actually is. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click references, and on the left hand side here you'll see table of contents. Click on that, and you've got a few different styles here that you can actually use for the purpose of this demonstration. I'm just going to click the first one, and as you can see we've got ourselves a nice contents page. Now you might be wondering, does this automatically update? Well, it doesn't. So let me show you. We have subheading 2, let's say another subheading 2, and obviously as I showed you before, we want that to be a subheading 1 or subheading 2 rather. Just go ahead and click this button here, and let's just add some random text underneath that so it looks a little bit nicer. And so obviously we've updated our document here. So in order to actually update our contents, all we have to do is click on it, and there's a little button here that says update table. You click on that, you want to click on update the entire table, and that's it. That literally is how easy it is to add a contents page or table of contents to your Word document. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, you'd be doing me a favor if you click on that like button, and also if you want to see similar videos to this in the future, why not consider subscribing. I'll be doing programming related videos, Windows tips and tricks, and more Microsoft Office based demonstrations. And until next time, take care.